Good morning, everybody. Well, here we are. We're doing a bit of work today. Actually, it's more of a mission, not work. Today I have exhaust, new seat, and some wiring to deal with. Wiring's always a problem, especially when you're new to it. I'm getting there, but it does take me a little bit to sort things out. So the wiring's the fun part for today. The exhaust and the seat are just basic. I'm going down to a softer seat. Let me show you this stuff. Okay, hang on. Tightened everything up because I was riding, so anyway, as you can see here, I have a new seat. Another bob obviously, because that one there is a 1960s Harley Davidson seat and I need to get it reupholstered. Gonna cost me close to $300, maybe $400 to do so that it looks the same but out of good quality leather. So what I'm doing for now is I'm gonna mount this one and use that for now. So yeah, that's that. And then on top of that, I am removing my Vance and Hines pipes, because over here I have Rogue Motorcycle Special. They are called grenades, and I am going to be placing them on the bike. So what I'll do is, before I start that, is I'll take some video of the standard exhaust, or the Vance and Hines exhaust, and then I'll mount out the grenades and we'll start it up again. Okay, so for now I'm going to leave it with that, as I've got to finish getting the tools ready. As you can see, I've got a great workbench. All my tools are in the white box, and I'm ready to go. Okay people, we'll see you soon. I'll probably put this on time lapse and get some time lapse of each bit and then go from there. Okay, talk to you soon guys. Okay everyone, first job successfully done. As you can see, car light working, brake light comes on, and to top it off, indicators working. So first job successfully done. Now to tackle the exhaust, and then finally I'm going to be getting into the seat, depending on time. Might leave the seat another few days, but at this point I'm hoping to get into the seat today. I'm going to make a couple of changes and go from there. Okay peoples, back on the time lapse. Let's see where we're going to end up. Okay, first of all I'm going to kick this bitch in the guts so that you can hear what it sounds like with the with the exhaust I got now. So let's do that, hey? Yeah, it's just because it hasn't been started today. It's going to be started at cold start, hey? Cold start. Okay, there we have the old exhaust. Now to put the new exhaust on, and we'll go back to listening to the new exhaust. Okay, and here we have the new exhaust, and I do like the colour of it, even though it goes with nothing on the bike. So, okay, you heard the sound of it before. Ready for this? I haven't heard this yet either. Okay, so it's the end of the day. I got the exhaust done, I got the wiring done. I also put the forward pegs back on because with the new exhaust, standard pegs won't work. So in saying that, I didn't get the seat done. It's going to be about an hour's worth of work, so I'll get to that probably tomorrow night or the next night, depending on how my week goes. Other than that, hope you enjoy this quick bit of work that I've done, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the road.